Welcome. I am glad you are here with me today. We're going to talk about something that touches many lives: high blood pressure. Sometimes the idea of making big health changes can feel overwhelming and stressful. This stress itself is not helpful for our well-being or our blood pressure. That is why I want to focus on a different path. It is a path of small, gentle, and repeatable actions. These tiny habits, when practiced consistently, can create a powerful and positive ripple effect on our overall health. They do not require a huge amount of willpower or time, just a quiet commitment to yourself. The beauty of small habits is that they are achievable. They do not demand a complete overhaul of your life overnight. This approach helps to build momentum and confidence. When we succeed at one small thing, we feel more capable of trying another. This is how lasting change is born, not from a place of pressure, but from a place of gentle intention. Today, we will explore two such simple habits. One involves a small addition to your plate, and the other involves a simple way to use your breath. Both can guide your body toward a state of greater calm and balance. Imagine for a moment that your health is like a garden. Shouting at the garden to grow faster does not work. Instead, we must tend to it with small, regular actions. We provide a little water, ensure it gets some sun, and gently pull away the weeds. In the same way, our bodies respond best to consistent, gentle care. Adding a few specific foods or practicing a mindful breathing exercise are like giving your body the water and sun it needs. These are not dramatic interventions, but they are foundational acts of self-care that support your body's natural ability to find its equilibrium and function well. So let us put aside any feelings of pressure or urgency for a few moments. Let us explore these ideas with a sense of curiosity and openness. Our first habit is about nourishment. It involves adding specific, wonderful foods to your diet that are rich in a mineral called magnesium. Magnesium is incredibly important for our bodies, playing a role in over 300 biochemical reactions. One of its most vital jobs is helping our muscles to relax. Think about your blood vessels as tiny muscular tubes. When these muscles are relaxed, the vessels can widen slightly. This creates more space for blood to flow through, which can gently help to lower the pressure against the vessel walls. It is a simple, natural mechanism that we can support through our daily food choices. So where can we find this helpful mineral? Let us start with nuts and seeds, which are fantastic and easy sources of magnesium. Almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds. You do not need to eat large quantities to get the benefits. A small handful, perhaps about a quarter of a cup, is a perfect serving size. Enjoy them as a simple afternoon snack. Sprinkle them over your morning yogurt, oatmeal, or porridge for an added crunch and nutritional boost. Now, let us turn to our second habit, which is perhaps the simplest and most accessible tool we all possess: our breath. The way we breathe has a direct and immediate impact on our nervous system. When we are stressed or anxious, our breathing often becomes shallow and rapid, which can contribute to a rise in blood pressure. By consciously slowing down our breath, we can send a powerful signal to our brain that it is time to relax. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping to lower our heart rate and, in turn, our blood pressure. There is a specific technique called the 4-7-8 breath. The structure matters. The long exhale is what helps the body unwind. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, and exhale for 8 for 4 gentle cycles. We have explored two very simple, yet potentially powerful habits today: nourishing with magnesium-rich foods and easing stress with the 4-7-8 breath. There is no pass or fail. The goal is simple: steady practice, begin again each day. Start small, one breath, a small handful. Begin today and see what starts to grow.